to everybody. Say, Mommy's cleaning up. Help all the mamas clean up. Hi, so I'm just cleaning up and I thought I'd turn on the camera because I used to watch cleaning shows like this too, and motivates you to clean and tidy. So going through all the baby clothes, fun days. Are you reading? Is it a good novel? Delightful. Baby clothes everywhere. Just a baby Cara. Say hello. So we're just sorting out all the different sizes. She's gone into kind of 0 to 3 to 6 months actually. Yeah, you're gone into 3 to 6 months. So just trying to do a wardrobe update. I find I get way too overwhelmed if I have all the different sizes out. I like to just have a visual of simplified couple outfits. So come clean with me, get motivated. I have all these the hangers that come with the baby girls. What I'm doing at the minute is putting them on these nice pink set to the camera. She's so many gorgeous clothes we were gifted and some I bought, but we just have so much that I like to have it streamlined. Certain colours suit her. Hi, this is Alana. Say hello to everybody. Say, Mommy's cleaning up. Help all the mamas clean up. Hanging upside down, so the little vests fit on one hanger, and we save some space.
So I like to keep the clothes like in a little pile. Here's a little flower I made at camp. We also painted it. It's made out of clay. But I didn't have any purple, so I just blue and red on the sides and mixed together, and then it turned out as purple. And that's my moment toy. And so